Halloween is among us. Sorry, that was weird. Hi guys! For those of you who don't know me, I'm Blue, and Halloween is among us. It is time. There are pumpkin patches everywhere. It's time for like getting your costume ready and getting all the spooktacular treats, carving your pumpkin, however you want to celebrate. And my favorite part of Halloween is the costumes and stuff. By the way, I don't have a costume yet for Halloween, which is not good, like at all, because Halloween, it's not tomorrow, but I need time to like make my costume and everything. So if you guys want, comment down below ideas for a costume. But for those people who are like, I am too old to dress up for Halloween, or those people who are like, yeah, I like dressing up for Halloween, but I'm really lazy and I don't really want to make like a whole thing, this is the video for you, because today I'm going to show you 3 different spooktacular accessories to make for the Halloween season. The 3 things we're going to make are glowing ghost earrings, a glow-in-the-dark scrunchie, and an eyeball bow. Let's get to it. First you'll need these glow-in-the-dark beads. They glow in the dark. Yes, glue, it's a thing. Stuffing. If you don't have stuffing, you could use like fabric strips or whatever, just something to stuff it. Elastic, a permanent red marker, stretchy white fabric. It's pretty see-through. There's these hairball things. They come at the bottom of like twist ties. You could use a bead too, I guess, but these work better. And ribbon. And green tulle. Oh, googly eyes. There are many of them, and they are all staring at you. A push light, silver chain, an earring hook, and an eye pin. First, we will be making the ghost earrings. So the first step is to get your fabric and stick your eye pin through and put glue on the other side to secure it. Now stuff your ghost with your stuffing and get your light and put it in with the ghost, but make sure you have the button on the side so that you can turn the light on and off when you want to. Then seal the deal by tying the ribbon. Attach the chain and the earring hook and glue on the eyes. So this is what it looks like. It actually glows, which I think is really cool. And yeah, on to the next thing. The next thing we're making is our creepy eye bow. So get one of your twisty ball things, cut it off the elastic, and glue it onto your bow, this whole part facing down. Draw on some red veins with your permanent marker and then glue on the sequin as the people. Now that is one creepy bow. The final thing we will be making today is a spooky, well, I don't know if it's spooky, but a glow-in-the-dark scrunchie. So the first step is to get a long piece of tulle, fold it in half, and glue it so it's like a sleeve. String your elastic through the loop, or the sleeve, fill your sleeve with beads, tie your elastic, and then glue your scrunchie shut. Well, I hope you find these festive and fun, and that when you walk around wearing all your cool Halloween gear, people are like, wow, that's so cool. And you could share this video with all of your friends, and all of your friends could be Halloween themed for the Halloween season. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, don't forget to share with your friends, and see you next time. Ignore that. A little push light. See? Oh, wait. Oh. Well, one that works. I said ribbit. First, we will be making. Ignore them. They're doing something.